Hello and welcome to the Urban News Podcast, your go-to source for the latest and most pressing issues in Indian politics and society. Today, we are discussing Rahul Gandhi's debut as the leader of the opposition, LOP, and the controversy surrounding his recent comments on Hinduism. These remarks have ignited a nationwide debate on religion, politics, and social justice. Stay tuned as we unpack the details, reactions, and implications of this unfolding story. Rahul Gandhi, the prominent Congress leader, has recently assumed the role of leader of the opposition, LOP, in the Indian Parliament. His debut speech in this capacity has already sparked significant controversy. Gandhi's comments, which focused on the misuse of Hinduism to spread hatred and division, have drawn both praise and severe criticism. In his address, Gandhi highlighted issues related to caste, discrimination, and religious intolerance, asserting that certain factions are misinterpreting Hindu teachings to justify acts of hatred and violence. He called for a return to the core values of Hinduism: peace, tolerance, and inclusivity. The Bharatiya Janata Party, BJP, and other right-wing organizations quickly condemned Gandhi's remarks, accusing him of attacking Hinduism and playing divisive politics. They argue that his statements are an attempt to undermine Hindu values and alienate Hindu voters, particularly in the run-up to the elections. Supporters of Gandhi, however, view his comments as a courageous stand against the politicization of religion. They argue that he is advocating for a more progressive and inclusive interpretation of Hinduism that aligns with contemporary values of equality and justice. This controversy has reignited debates on the role of religion in politics and the boundaries of free speech. It raises critical questions about the responsibilities of political leaders in addressing sensitive cultural issues and the impact of their words on societal harmony. As the political landscape heats up, this issue is likely to influence public opinion and voter sentiment. We'll continue to follow this story closely and bring you the latest updates. In the meantime, we'd love to hear your thoughts on this matter. Do you agree with Rahul Gandhi's stance, or do you think his comments were out of line? Share your opinions with us on our social media channels. Thank you for tuning into the Urban News Podcast. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more in-depth discussions on the latest news and events shaping our world. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.